taking a look at a woman who is known in Black history for making millions by selling hair care products? We've got you covered with fun facts and a little biography from the life of Madam C.J. Walker. Taking a look at an adventurous woman, Madam C.J. Walker was born Sarah Breedlove on December 23, 1867, on a cotton plantation near Delta, Louisiana. Sarah's parents, Owen and Minerva, would bring Sarah into the world as their first free-born child after both recently being freed from slavery. Sadly, in 1874, Sarah's mother died, and her father would die a year later, leaving Sarah as an orphan at the age of 7. Thankfully, Sarah's sister and brother-in-law took her in. Sarah's brother-in-law did not treat her well, making Sarah turn to marriage. That is where, at the age of 14, Sarah married Moses McWilliams and gave birth to a daughter. After the death of her husband, Sarah and her daughter moved to St. Louis, where she worked earning $1.50 a day, which was enough to send her daughter to public school. It is here in St. Louis where she would find love again with her second husband, Charles J. Walker, who worked in the advertisement world. During the 1890s, Sarah Breedlove developed a scalp disorder where she would lose a lot of her hair. This is where she began experimenting with other store-bought products to help her condition. This would lead to Sarah creating her line of hair care products with the Madam C.J. Walker Company, traveling around the South and Southeast promoting her hair care products with her husband. By 1908, Walker had opened a factory with her products, becoming extremely popular. They were so popular that Madam C.J. Walker made profits in business that were equivalent to $1 million. Not only did she have her products for sale, but she would go on to train beauticians called Walker Agents, promoting beauty through the sales of the Walker product line. Walker had divorced, and she would travel throughout Latin America and the Caribbean promoting her business. Upon returning to the States, she was heavily involved in community activism and political culture with the Harlem Renaissance. She would go on to establish philanthropies that included educational scholarships and donations to homes for the elderly, the NAACP, and more. Madam C.J. Walker died of hypertension on May 25, 1919, at the age of 51, where her company would continue operations, closing in 1981. The life of Madam C.J. Walker was filled with success, and our team has many more fantastic stories from history just like this available on YouTube. Here are a few videos that you might like, and also, we would love it if you would take a moment to subscribe to our channel and click the like button on this video to help us out and continue making fun fact videos just for you.